How many of you feel that challenges are an opportunity to grow? Yes, challenges are the teachers which help us in every step. Challenges help us to become champions of our lives. Some of them do not have an opportunity to face challenges in life. Have you noticed that these people are the ones who are soft and who get spoiled over a period of time? So if you feel that you are in a comfortable zone and you do not have enough challenges in your life, that means you are getting too comfortable. Just jump out of the comfort zone and start creating a life of your own. So start meeting your teachers in the form of challenges. You can do it by creating a learning environment. Some of them feel that life is too good and life is fair and lovely only for some of them. They keep comparing themselves to others in their lives and they feel that life is fair to them and life is unfair to themselves. So what do? They keep on whining and they keep on grumbling and complaining. But what they fail to realize is that life has already provided you an opportunity to grow. Instead of grabbing that opportunity and making the most of that opportunity, we are whining and just passing the time. So don't do that. Start finding out that this is an opportunity for you to grow and move towards that opportunity. That is when you are creating a learning environment for yourself. The more you start learning about yourself, the more life becomes exciting, and then you are looking at your own growth. Your growth also starts happening simultaneously. Sometimes, have you ever noticed that whenever few of our close friends or family members approach us and say that they are facing some kind of a challenge in life or they are unable to sustain something, we give them very beautiful advice saying that it's all in your mind, everything is going to be well, do not worry, it will soon fall into place. And with a very calm and a very approachable and a sensible mind and a logical mind, we give them lot of advice and we send them back happily. But when we face challenges in life, do we apply the same thing? Do we say that it is okay, this too shall pass? We will overcome, surpass this with a calm and a clear mind. So be aware and conscious of what advice you are giving to others and what advice you are giving to your own self. Yes, definitely everything is in the mind. When you are facing a challenge, tell yourself it's just all in the mind. I can also go ahead, face this challenge and learn something out of this challenge. Sometimes it so happens that the more number of times we are attempting to surpass an obstacle or overcome something, the more number of times we keep failing. That means that life is telling that you still need lot of preparation. Go get prepared and come back. And now this time you will come back as a stronger person. So life is giving us the message. Are we open to receiving that message from life? This is what we need to ask ourselves. When we are open and we are ready to receive that message, that is when life takes off. If you have ever noticed, or just take a moment now and look back at all the challenges that you have faced, the moment you felt that, yes, now I'm ready, that challenge is no longer a challenge. Type yes if you agree and if you have been in this kind of a situation sometime. Yes, life is all about taking risks in life, right? But sometimes we see that people say that I took all the risk in my life and I lost everything. So that does not mean that you have to stop taking risks, and also it there is a powerful message behind that when you say that I took all the risk and I lost everything. So it is saying that you took the first step of taking the risk, but at the same time you didn't calculate your risk. Take risks but do not gamble. Let me take the example of bungee jumping. Some of them might have done it. When you go stand over there and you look down below, it looks fearful, and of course you are taking a risk there. But the moment you jump, do you realize that you have a rope tied around you? That rope is your fallback option, and that rope is the one where you have calculated your risk of coming back. Similarly, when you are taking a financial risk or when you are taking a risk in any aspect of your life, there has to be something of a fallback option. So calculate that risk. The calculation of that risk is the fallback option. Agree or disagree? If you agree, type agree in the comment box below. Yes. So this is how I feel that challenges are definitely an opportunity to grow. Now when we look back at life, even if at all we have failed, it is okay. Keep failing, but keep getting up every time from failure and take that just one step ahead. And every time go back, do your homework and find out why is this strategy or this step didn't help. What is the learning? What is the message? If you can take that learning and you can implement that learning and then take the next step, definitely it won't be as bad as what it was the previous time. So never stop learning, and never stop at a place where you felt that you have failed. You can make a winner out of yourself. You can be a successful person. It depends on what your definition of success is. If you have defined success for yourself, then define the path and the plan. And when you are going through the path and the plan, that is when you require influencers and teachers as your guiding path to let you know where you have gone wrong or where you are going wrong continuously. Right? So now we can just go back to our school times. In our school times, every teacher came and taught us a subject, right? And every subject had some learning, had a message behind it, and the teachers put it so beautifully across. They were specialists in that, and they made it sound so simple to us. So now if we sit and look back, every subject had a message, had a learning for us, which we are implementing in our lives even today, knowingly or unknowingly. So let every day be a happy Teacher's Day. Let us not restrict ourselves to just one day of our life and say that, okay, this is when I show gratitude, or this is when I recognize the teachers of my life. Every day the learnings are there, and we need to go out and start taking responsibility for our own lives. We are totally responsible for who we are and where we are today. So take that responsibility, take that learning, move ahead, Make challenges as an opportunity to grow. Each challenge comes in the form of a teacher who is helping us to grow. In childhood, the growth was rapid. Here, the growth is sometimes visible, sometimes invisible, but still growth is happening. Nobody can deny that there is no growth. I am Savita Hosamane, and I am on a journey of cultivating a growth mindset as well. I am a growth culture cultivator. I am on a mission to help 1,000 plus small and business owners and leaders to cultivate a growth mindset culture. If you found any of these tips useful and you want to be in a group of like-minded people who value growth as one of the components of their lives, then click on the link below and join the growth group. Thank you. If you found any of these tips useful, please like, comment and share this video. I look forward to hearing all your comments and to grow from these comments. Happy challenges and happy Teachers' Day to all of you.